My idea is to turn the ticking watch, the sound of its gear and the sounds captured in the factory into music. I found this microphone and I found a kind of gear inside of this watch. I have a little synthesizer inside here. That surprised me, no? You know? My name is Chiara Luzzana. I create music in a particular way. I give a voice to what is born without any, and I give life to inanimate object. Every little change in the movement of the machine was a pure rhythm. There is a stage in the production process where the dial is coupled with a watch case. Here, I create the beat for the final part of this soundtrack. A sound is a solo journey into oneself. I learn to transform noise into music and give it harmony. I took every little object that made up the watch and turned them into musical instruments. The most ambitious challenge was making use of the finger gloves that the workers use to handle the watches. I love this sound. So I have a lot of sound, super powerful. I live life through my ears, not my eyes. I love the silence because it allows me to listen only to the essential. When you have found out how to live, that does not have time becomes eternity.